Hi there everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going from this old sticky Mr. Gasket throttle cable to this nice new Lokar throttle cable. Let's get started. Just going over everything that you get when you buy one of these Lokar throttle cables here. This is the 36-inch stainless steel model. I'll throw the part number down in the description for you guys if you want to see it. But you get your carb linkage here at the end, or in my case a Holley Sniper EFI. Then you have your adjuster nuts here for the bracket, and the bracket doesn't come with it, that's extra. I'm going to be modifying mine a little bit, I'll show you guys that here in a second. And then heading on down you have your adjusters for the firewall, and then at the very end of the throttle cable here you have your clevis. Now the only clevis they give you here is for an aftermarket pedal or one of those Lokar pedals. So you either need to use this with a Lokar pedal or an aftermarket pedal, or use the stock clip, which I'll be doing, so I have to do a little bit of modification on this. Alright guys, so I've got the old bracket out of here, and like I said, I have to modify some stuff. Instead of buying that Lokar cable bracket, I'm just going to use my old one here. But basically all I'm doing is measuring this part here on the Lokar cable, and that's what goes into the cable bracket here. And I'm just going to drill a hole in the existing bracket and just use that as is. So simple as that. Okay, holes are drilled in that bracket there. Went just fine on it. Tightens down perfectly. I'm not worried that that thing's gonna slip or anything like that. So saved $60 or $70 right there on that one. It's time to get that cable installed on that pedal now. Okay, install's complete. You can see the cable there running through the modified bracket. It's all looking good right now. The pedal feel inside is good. I still have to go through and adjust it and just get it really fine-tuned, but it feels a lot better right now. The total installation for me, guys, took probably about an hour and a half, so it wasn't too bad. But if you guys had a helper to help hold down that nut while you're on the inside, that helps a lot. But guys, right now I'm satisfied with this. I'll let you guys know if there's any issues at all I have with it, but other than that, thanks for watching. Later.